Hi there, this is Declan, and welcome to the Gaming Kitchen.
Go.
Hi there, we're making Butterscotch Cinnamon Pie, and so this is from Undertale by Toby Fox. So anyway, so what we have is a pie crust already set up because that's boring. We have the brown sugar. We have the cinnamon. We have the vanilla stuff. We have whipping cream. We have actual cream. We have a bowl. We have a cup and something else. Alright, first up, the pie crust. So we're just gonna slide our hands into these oven mitts. So make sure the oven is already preheated to 375 degrees. Yeah. So you're gonna open the oven, obviously. Get it all the way down there. Make sure that the rack isn't too high or, well, it's going to be too hot. Make sure you get the pie into the generally middle-ish area. And close the thing up. And hit start. And we'll see you then.
A few minutes later.
Alright, so 7 minutes is up. Sorry, we forgot to mention that. And so we got our thing here. The crust and filling. We're just gonna. So we got the crust situation gotten. Sorry, we forgot to take it out. So now we're gonna work on the. Alright, so we're just gonna take our 1.5 cups. And pour it into the here to boil, I guess. I'm not exactly sure what's happening, but I guess I'll just have to look into that.
1, go. Yep.
Alright, we got our 1/2 cup of cream. Just be careful not to burn yourself. I almost did. Good thing I didn't though. Alright, we got a 1/4 cup of cornstarch. Coming on up. Well, I think it's okay. So, 2/3 cup of brown syrup. You know what I mean, brown sugar. We just got a thing to help get it out. And remember to like and subscribe so that more people see our videos. It really helps.
1.
And 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. And again, and remember to hit the, alright, we got 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you know when I post a video. It helps too.
Yep. 3, 2, 1, go.
So we got the stir here. And we're just stirring. If a stir, that's fun to say. Yeah. Alright, we're back. So we're pretty much done with the stirring. I don't recommend doing it with an oven mitt though. And so I'm pretty sure we just execute this part. I think that's good.
Go.
Alright, back to stirring. Yay! So now what we're done before this thing burns, we gotta remove from heat, thank gosh, and then remove heat in general. even add our, just less exotic. And so we're just gonna put in the stuff here. So it's in.
One go.
Careful. Some vanilla. It's almost invisible, so be careful. Now we stir again, just without heat this time, yay.
Go.
Alright, hi, so we got the filling already in the pie, because again, that's boring. So we're just gonna let this do its thing for another 7 minutes, and we'll come back when that's done. So
1 minute 37 seconds later.
alright, so hi, we got the filling already in the pie because that's kind of boring. So we're just gonna let the pie put it back in, you know the it's kind of annoying though when that happens, but alright. So now that we got it in, it's just gonna do its thing and cook for another 7 minutes. And we'll come back when that's done.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Alright, it's been 7 minutes. Wow, really warm. Let's get this pie. Oh, the stove is so warm. Looks really good though, doesn't it? Alright, so, yeah. Alright, so we're just gonna get these back on again. Get this thing into this thing. Oh wow, they're pretty full fridge. And yeah, we'll just come back once it's cooled down enough to, yeah. Alright, so we're back. So the pie's still cooling, but while that's happening, we're gonna be mixing some heavy cream and some sugar. So we're just gonna put the cream in. It kind of looks like milk. It doesn't act like milk though. And then just pour in the sugar. And now we mix. Yay, more mixing. Alright, hey there. We're just going to be using the electronic mixer, for what's called a hand mixer. The first one should be it. We're just gonna... Hey guys! Just still working on this. Thing kind of moved itself. And it's loud. So I think we... Oh, that was exhausting. So, we're done with that now. Oh, and I think it might be time to remember the actual pie's existence. Ooh, this is gonna be good. So,
And go.
alright, we're here, and we're just gonna spread this stuff out.
One go.
So, reconsidering my actions, we're just gonna ball it out I'm really bad at pulling it out.
1, go.
Reconsidering my actions again, I'm just gonna do this. Let's just be honest. This is a better idea. This is the most difficult part of this entire pie. Alright, now that we got that covered and avoided a crisis, we'll just do cinnamon. So just sprinkling it.
Go.
Now that we did that, we could have it because it's boring. We're just gonna not kill people. Cut the pie. So we'll just be doing that. Give us a second. Alright, we're back. We have a slice of butterscotch cinnamon pie. Heals all HP. So let's just get a bit of it. It's good. Pretty good. I'm not getting any immediate yet, so that's a good sign. Still not getting any nose on the radar, so I think it's pretty good. Thank you for watching. Next time we do one of these cooking videos, we might want to do one of those gaming related ones, since people seem to really like seeing those kind of things, so we'll see what we can do. If people like this, then we'll make more. Well, later.